Hello everybody, today in this video we are going to be playing some mini games. That's why we are in the arcade. So let's get to it because we're so awesome. It's this awesome moment. We are going to put our awesome shades on. With our awesome shades, we got our awesome shades on. Get it. Shades on. Now I said it. Now we're gonna play some Jimbo. Okay. Bam! Dun 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 dun. No! I want to get all three of them. Like all the three zooey thingy sodas. No, I touched it! I touched it! No, that's not fair. That's not fair. It went through it! Why? Why game? Okay, now that was fair. No, it's... Oh yes, oh yes, oh no! Nah. So we're still killing stuff, but this game won't let us go in this... Why do you do this to me? Oh yes, I made it! This is my last bone. Are you gonna make it? Actually, it looks like it just stays still and then it just bounces. Just look, it stays still, it doesn't move. And then it just stays still. Good game, good game. I do not know what just happened. Alright guys, let's see if we can get a toy. Okay. Yes, I want to play. I will. Don't go fast. Yeah! I stayed the time. Yes. Can I win? Oh, awesome! I haven't gone that one actually. Let's play one more time. I want to pin this. I don't think this stuff falls phantom. No, I'm not going to make it. Oh, I did actually. Wow. Wow. Another one again? No, thank you. I don't want to play. Now, let's just fix my screen. You saw nothing, I tell you. My screen's a little bit big because I have to make it like that so I can see the things that I am saying and stuff. So we'll do that. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's good for you guys. That's not really good for me, but I think about other people than you think for yourself. It's good. It's really good. Okay, guys. So, I guess it's... yeah. Okay. Say pie if you have a rare purple Warren entree. Gift for gift, I am fair. You are fair. You say you are fair. Let's see about that. Let's give this person... What should we give him, guys? Let's give this person a cast. In case his mom has a broken cast, a broken leg, let's just give him a cast, right? Yeah, let's give him a cast. Let's give it back. I'm waiting for my delivery. Are you going to deliver me back? I do not know if you're going to deliver me back. You're recording? Good for you. Trade me pews. Pew eagles. I don't know what that means, eagles. Okay guys, so I am going to be showing you what is like this. they're selling this. Oh yeah, guys, these are beets, but I have it, but I'm telling you, I did not buy it. Yeah, I did not buy it. So, yeah, I have a real bee, but this is, I didn't buy it from the store. But if you celebrate Leprechaun Day, I forgot what it's called, then happy early Leprechaun Day! But I don't celebrate it, but if you do, happy Leprechaun early day, I guess. But if you don't, happy day. So, yeah. Oh no, I forgot. Oh no, I have to take my cool shades off because it's not full play day. No. Okay. Nice jump, you know what? That's the best hat. That's the best hat in the world. Let's just go. That's the best hat. It's almost the end of this video. But let's have fun. Let's see what movie, and yeah. Let's see one movie, and then I reckon that'll be the end of this video. I don't have free LOL. I don't know what LOL means. I'm just kidding. What I meant was like, I don't know what do you mean, like what's going on. I know what LOL means. It means like laugh out loud. And GG now. I have undone popcorn in my bin. Usually I make the best popcorn, but I certainly don't. Oh wow. Oh no, I wanted to get that last piece. Okay. So let's see. Let's see this one. I'm just gonna be quiet and you guys can see this. I hope you can see this.
And now it's time for some more amazing animals. Number 5, the amazing big-headed mole rat.
In case you can't see my hat.
Big-headed what?
Mole rat, darling. You really must pay attention.
Oh, sorry. I was just stunned by the sheer size of your noggin. The big-headed mole rat can be found in Ethiopia, Africa, which is... Oh, where is it?
Here, darling. Somebody's not good at geography.
Ah, yes, there it is. Up in Ethiopia's Bale Mountains, you can find this rather freaky-looking...
Hey, I heard that.
I mean, extremely handsome-looking creature.
Yeah, that's better.
What makes this species different to regular mole rats is that they mainly forage for food above the ground. There is, of course, a good reason why these mole rats...
Attractive big-headed mole rats, darling.
Sorry, it's because the big-headed mole rat is considered rather yummy by the Ethiopian wolf.
Oh, come on. We're not afraid of those
Oh,
creatures.
there's one behind you. Got you.
How dare you? Anyway, we're still more attractive than you humans.
Perhaps that's why they're called the big-headed mole rat. Either way, they're one amazing animal.
So, guys, that's the end of this video. The video is still going. It was supposed to end at 7, but yeah. So, guys, I hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Bye!